Anybody who knows me knows that I love watching birds. And when I was living with my mom, when she had Alzheimer's the last 3 years of her life, we put up a beautiful bird feeding station for her at her house. And when we got to the farm here, that was my biggest wish, is to have my own bird feeding station. So Jim put the boards up about 2 or 3 months ago, and we finally got all the chains, the hooks, the bird feeders, and everything just to get it started. And so this is the final result. I'm so excited. I can start watching birds from the porch feeding here up close. And this one right here, you know, we like to do a lot of recycling. This is going to be a grape jelly feeder for the Orioles. And these are logs, I guess you call them, that I got from Kmart. And then the sconces on top were for lamps, and that's going to help keep them dry a little bit during any kind of rain. And the others are commercial bird feeders. And then we had to take down the squirrel feeders because the raccoons were getting to them and chewing them up and stealing the corn, as well as the squirrels taking off a whole ear of corn. So we'll get some more corn cobs to put up here for the birds. And we have our squirrel baffles up here. So it's obvious that the birds have already been over here sitting on the bird feeder. So I can't wait to be sitting on my porch with all my rockers and watching all these lovely little birds get their fill this winter. This really is a dream come true for me. I just love watching the birds. So excited.